What's up, guys? In just a couple seconds, you're going to be heading to EPCOT. I just want to give you a quick update. It is Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday. We're moving into the apartment. Saturday and Sunday, big move-in days, so probably won't have another video until Monday or Tuesday next week. Just wanted to give you a quick heads up. But without further ado, let's head on over to EPCOT. Happy 4th of July from the parking lot at EPCOT. We're here for their special fireworks. They're going to start off with Illuminations, and then they add on like a 5-minute tag at the end with crazy fireworks. So stay tuned. It's going to be pretty cool. Walking in now, you can kind of see over here, you got the new Guardians of the Galaxy ride going up. There goes monorail. Welcome to EPCOT. Take a look over here. They got rid of all of the Leave a Legacy things you can see there, but totally gone over here. And we're headed in. It is very crowded in EPCOT. The show's gonna be starting soon. You're gonna have to let me know though, which one do you like better? Because last night at Magic Kingdom was like a 15-minute show all based on the 4th of July, and tonight is just the regular Illuminations with like, I think, a 5-minute tag at the end. So you have to let me know, which one do you think is better? But let's see how we like it. So we're in our spot for the fireworks show. Should be a pretty good view.
We hope you enjoy our story tonight. Reflections of Earth.
be your country.
Leaving the mass crowds, but in the background, they say celebrating 243 years of freedom. Happy birthday, America. All in all, I'd say that was a pretty darn good show. Let me know down below, did you like this one, or did you like the Magic Kingdom 4th of July fireworks better? I think this one's a little bit better. So make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, bell notification button, and we'll see you next time.